What's up, y'all? So my truck started shaking real bad when I was dropping food off for my kid. I figured it was a misfire. It sounded like a misfire to me. I'm thinking probably a spark plug. Listen to what AI says. I said I ain't got no money to buy this shit. I'm just complaining. You know what I mean? Said I don't have any money. That's the problem. Always a problem. You know. Let me tell you something. Always something. It is always. Let me tell you right now. Every single day, it never fails. There's always something have to fucking be fixed. Let me tell you that. So, and this motherfucker says, call AutoZone. O'Reilly asked for a bad core exchange. It says people return cores all the time. But listen to what this thing says. It says, yes, this works. I've done it. Mechanics do it. Lots of broke folks do it. When did you ever go work on a fucking car? What are you talking about, AI? Junkyard fix, usually $3 or $5. That is a possibility. I could go to the junkyard and see if they'd hook me up. They are my buddies down there. I don't know if they would or not, but they might. Temporary patch if wires are bad. I'm not gonna do that. Clean the distributor cap you have. That we're gonna check it out. Yeah. I mean, I'm not giving up or anything. I'm just saying, like, fuck, give me a break, man.